Comanche Crew Cab, installation of a Tom Woods custom drive shaft. Here I'm attaching the spline to the 231 transfer case. I'm now attaching the straps of the U-joint. The custom Tom Woods drive shaft I would highly recommend. Great customer service. And it fit perfectly onto my custom crew cab Comanche. Here I'm attaching it to the Chrysler 8 1/4, and at some point I'll hopefully upgrade to a Dana 60, we hope. And I would definitely go back and get a new drive shaft for that new axle when the time comes. Here's the finished product. Looks beautiful, great angle. Would highly recommend Tom Woods.
"1988 when I saw her sitting on the lot.